When using WPS Writer for typesetting, we often need to adjust the spacing between characters. How can we adjust the character spacing? Take this document as an example. Select the text content, click Home in the upper menu bar, and choose Settings, Font. Then we can see the font window. We can also press the shortcut key Ctrl-D to pop up the dialog. Get into the Character Spacing tab and change the setting of spacing. Here we can choose one of the 3 default character spacing effects: normal, expanded, and condensed. Here are the effect previews for each spacing type. You can also customize the spacing accurately. For example, set it by 0.3 centimeters. In the character dialog, we can also change the character size in the scale setting. For example, we can set the scale as 80% or 150%. In addition, we can set the vertical position of the character in position. Similarly, there are 3 presets to choose from: normal, raised, and lowered. We can also customize the character position to an accurate extend. For example, it could be 0.8 centimeters. Did you get it?